In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an unsubscribe link in Mailgun. This is a simple but essential setup that keeps your emails compliant and your audience happy. When unsubscribe handling is enabled, Mailgun can respect recipients' choice to opt out and keep your sending reputation strong, which helps your messages land where they should. Start by signing into your Mailgun account. Use your usual secure login, and once you're in, you'll be on the dashboard. If you manage multiple accounts or environments, make sure you're in the right place before you move on. Everything we're about to do is done inside the Mailgun app, so there's no need to open any other tools. Next, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and open the Sending section. From there, choose Domains. You'll see a list of domains that are configured for sending. Select the domain you actually use to send your emails. This is important because unsubscribe tracking is configured per domain. If you send from more than one domain, just remember that the setting you're about to turn on applies only to the domain you pick here. Once you're on the domain settings page, scroll until you find tracking settings. This area controls features like opens, clicks, and unsubscribes. Locate the unsubscribes option and switch it on. Turning this on tells Mailgun to track unsubscribe events and maintain a suppression list for this domain. When a recipient unsubscribes, Mailgun will make sure you don't send to that address again from this domain, which helps you comply with regulations and avoid complaints. It's a small change that has a big impact on deliverability and list quality, because it prevents accidental sends to people who have opted out. After you enable the unsubscribes toggle, save your settings. Look for the Save button on the page and click it to confirm the change. You should see a success message or visual confirmation that the setting has been updated. Give it a moment to propagate. If you don't see the toggle or the Save button, double-check that you're on the correct domain page and that your account role has permission to edit domain settings. That's it. You've logged in, opened the Sending section, selected your domain, switched on unsubscribe tracking, and saved. With this enabled, Mailgun will handle unsubscribe events and keep your sending clean and compliant. Thanks for watching, and if you're managing multiple domains, just remember to review this same setting on each one you use for sending.